Well, happy Saturday. Back at the Trimaran. It's right here. Last time we left off, we did this the kitchen bow section. That doesn't make any sense. It's the kitchen section because the bow's on the other side. We did the kitchen hull just in foam and thickened epoxy. So today I'm a little bit tired. It's a long week. It's a 2-hour drive. I think I'm just going to put a layer of glass on the back there. And yeah, that should be good. Because I can't do it on the front. Oh, update. So last time I spoke about this filler. This stuff, blue stuff. It's a lightweight filler. I think it is maybe intended for this or not. I don't know. But I did some more research and I found a better, proper product. And I'll talk about it when I use it. But I ordered it and it's from a company in Florida, so it'll take a while to get here. But once it is here, it should, I think, do a little bit better. It'll be a nice strong filler as opposed to the blue stuff, which I don't really like. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the updates. So I'm going to do some nice, easy stuff today. And yeah, just keep making forward progress. Cool. Let's do it. I don't know why I mess around with this palm sander. Just use the belt sander. less sanding earlier. Okay, the sooner I finish this outro, this wrap up, which I've recorded I don't know how many times, I get to go home. So this is the last time I'm doing it, no matter how it turns out. Okay, look, I did 2 layers of glass back here. Why did I do that? I did that for a reason. Yes, I needed to make this stronger so that I could put filler on it, so when I sand it, it doesn't deform. I'm gonna have to record this again. I'm not recording again. Here we go. Look, okay, so, and then I went down the entire hall and I put 1 layer of glass on the bow, just because it was taking a really long time, and that's a bit rougher area anyway. I sanded a lot, like a madman, absolute madman. Like if you look at the floor, oh, that reminds me, I have to clean up before I can leave. I might take next weekend off, okay? Fair warning. I also did the bow. I pieced it in with small pieces of fiberglass. Again, super thick. I think I mentioned in the intro, blue stuff going away, not going to use it. And then I have new stuff coming. Shoot, that's a good recap. I think I knocked it out of the park. I'll see you guys next weekend. And maybe I'll see you next weekend. I might take a weekend off. I deserve it. All right, cheers.